In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a booking website using Wix, or rather, even if you want to add bookings to an already existing website, then this video is going to be for you. First thing we want to do is I want to create a new site. And of course, I want to click on build with Wix editor. I don't want to use Wix Studio for this. I want to use a Wix editor. Wix Studio is a bit buggy sometimes. And then I'm going to go with setup without chat. And then I want to select something like consultant because we want to do bookings. We want to say management consultant, financial consultant. Any one of these will do. I'll go with management consultant. I'll go to continue. And it's preparing my dashboard. Now, I insist that you use Wix Studio. That's the Wix editor instead of Wix Studio for this. Wix editor is also called Editor X. So that's the one I advise for you to go with. Now, it's brought me here. Tell us a little bit about yourself. I'll say we are management consultants. What's your business type? Booking, management, consultancy sessions online. Okay, business address, I'll say, let's say 351 Lafayette. And I'm going to go to next, continue, just continue. Start adding services. It's already giving me the ability to add services. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to add these services. You can add a little more and you can create your own services here. So I'll just add, let's say 1, 2, 3. I'll add 3 services. I'll go to continue. Staff members. I'll just leave it as it is, continue. And then what do you want to do? I want to offer virtual sessions, accept payments online, manage service and bookings on the go. Yes, you can add these and add these. I'll click on continue and it's going to tell me to go continue to my dashboard. I'm now going to my dashboard and I'm going to have to pick a template. So it brings me back to my dashboard. Now, surprisingly, this is how Wix works. I'll need to click on design site again. So it's now going to ask me, do I want to customize a template or do I want to generate with AI? I'm going to click on pick a template. And these are templates for management consultancy and other things related to bookings. I'll just choose this first one. I'll choose this first one. It tells me it's the best match. And then when it's loaded, I'm going to see all of this on the home screen. Now it's asking me to enhance my content with AI. I'm not going to do that. I'll just close this. The focus is not on the content. So you see all of this here. You see all of this. These are our sessions. If I click on this and I zoom out a little bit, you'll see we already have these services here. These are actually blog posts. And if I come to my menu, I see blog about search results and all that. Now, what if we want to add something like our bookings? The first thing we need to do is to go to add apps. And let's make sure we have Wix Bookings installed. So I want to look for Wix Bookings. I want to look for bookings. And I want to make sure it is installed. So this is it. All right, it tells me it is installed. I'll just click on it. And then I want to open it. And it's adding Wix Bookings. It was installed but not added. Right now it's adding the Wix Bookings. Now you can see after adding Wix Bookings, it adds this our services page. And it's adding member areas. It's added member areas. Now it's adding notifications. So these are now our services which can be booked. You see one-on-one professional coaching. If I click on these manage services, I can click on this manage services. I can go now back to to my dashboard and customize them, customize the pictures, change prices, and change descriptions. I could choose to edit any one of these. If I click on this one-on-one professional coaching, I can change the price or the duration. I can make it, let's say, 30 minutes. Buffer time, let's say 5 minutes. And you can give it a tagline. You can change even the name. Yeah, one-on-one coaching session. You can change that. We come down here. You say per session or with a plan. You can just say per session, and then the price could be, let's say, 50 euros or $50, whatever it is you desire, and enter amount online. Yes. Or you could ask them to, the entire amount is going to be paid online. Or if you want them to pay in person, they can do that. If you want the entire amount either online or in person, you can also do that. Now, you can choose locations, which is going to be our business address if you don't want. You can add video conferencing. You can also add staff members here. You can add resources like PDFs and all that. You can also add images, and you can set your booking preferences here. Now, on this side, you can, if you want it to be visible on your website, you can do that here. It's already visible. You can toggle it off so that you probably only send the link. And after having done that, you make sure to save. And since you added it here as a service with per session or with a plan, you need to create a plan. I'll just make it to be per session. Now I'm going to save. I'm going to save it, and it's reloading the page. Now, if I should come to this, it tells me to take online bookings, upgrade to a business plan. So you've set this as everything being done online. So, but if you want to take bookings and payments online, you need to upgrade to the paid plan. So if you click on upgrade here, it's going to bring you here, and you're going to have to choose the plan you want to embark on. You could choose any of these. This is 13 euros. I think it's about $15 per month. You could select this and then go ahead and make your payment. If you want to pay for 2 years, it drops down to $11.99, which is about, I think, $13 per year. And then you can continue to check out. And you have to pay this amount for weeks. But I'm not going to do that yet. So you can see this is a separate page. And you could also save this as a template, this entire section as a template. You can save this entire section as a template and you display it on the home page. Now, what if you already have a website? You already have a website and you want to add bookings to it. I'll go back to my Wix homepage. Now, take for example, we have this website here, which is Maverick Hotel. I'm going to click and select this website. What if I want to add Wix bookings to this website? It's very easy to do that. Let's say we want to book our hotels and things like that. I can add bookings here. All I simply need to do is to come to app and make sure bookings is installed. And then I'm going to search here for bookings and make sure the bookings app is installed. So it is installed. I want to add it now to the website. I want to make sure it's added to the website. So I'm going to open. And it's now added all of these bookings here. So you can choose whichever one you desire. You can even add courses. So you can add group trainings, online meeting, consultation, and all that. So for this consultation, let's say this is what I want to add to my website. I'll just click on that. And it's going to give me, I can add all of these consultation types. I can add this. And after having done that, I'm going to save. It tells me it's missing some information. I'll just say 130 here. Can now save. And then, of course, again, it tells me I need to upgrade to a plan. So if you have the ability to buy a Wix premium account, then go ahead and do that. If not, you'll not be able to take bookings on your website. That is that for Wix bookings. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.